Hello, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of viewing grades and assignments in the parent-student portal. First thing you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the Fort Stockton ISD webpage. Once you find the page, go to Parents and Students tab, located in the middle of the page. Once you have clicked on that, you will go to the Parent-Students directory and find the letter A for Ascender Parent Portal. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. It will take you to the parent portal. Go ahead and type in your username, password, and click login. Once you have logged in, I need you to find your student that you're going to look up the grades in. Go ahead and click on the box. Select the student, and on the left-hand side, you're going to see grades drop box. You go ahead and click on it and choose a cycle and semester grade. Here you will be able to see the cycle grades by subject, by date. If you go back and you click assignments, on the next page you will be able to see a list or a drop down of all the different assignments. You can search by course, by cycle, you can view them. If you're interested in looking at discipline, you can go back and click on the discipline tab, and that will take you to the discipline records. Thank you for your time.